Hey guys, this is Pratap here, and today we will be doing one of that interesting tool. That tool is called Xplico. So Xplico is a tool by default which not be installed in your Kali Linux. Okay. So first, how you'll be installing? Let me show you from the scratch. Let's say this is your browser. Let me make it. Okay, this is your Kali machine, and then you have to give that sudo uh, sorry sudo then apt get install and then Xplico. So once you'll give this command, if it is not installed, it will be get installed. You can see the newest version is already installed. Alright, next you have to run that one command, that is service apache to start. So Apache will be starting. Yes, it started. Now you will be going here and type Xplico. So you will click that Xplico start. You see Xplico has been started. May, today's date and all those. So May 6. Now you will be going here and type here Xplico again, and then click on this. It's a browser based. You have already got to know, I guess, when you have seen it. So by default you have to do login. Let me log out and do it. You have to select that language, let's say English, and then you will be doing put the name. You'll be putting the name here Xplico, and then password is Xplico. Then you click login. Once you can click login, you can create the cases. Let's say if you see earlier two cases I have made. Now if you make the another new case and you live acquisition, put it there. Let's say you do case 3. Now you can create. So you can see immediately case 3 has been kept there. So you can, if you want to see what is happening on the test 1, so if you click on this, so you will click here. Now if you go to, you have to select the interface from there. Let's say I earlier I was doing some attack, so it found all the information. Anyways, so let me take you back. So this is the case 3 just now we have created. You click on this. So this is the case 3. Now if you go back, this is that browser attack. So this is the way you can see all the cases. Anyways, so once you are here, let's say the previous cases, let me explain from there. So this is the test 1, and then we have created new session. Okay, uh, how we have created the session? You see, let's say this is a case 3 just we have created. From here you can create new session. So what is the session name we are giving? The session name will be, let's say, max 1. So you create max 1, you click on max 1, then you have to select the interface from there, Ethernet. Now this is the case 3, you have seen it. Now let's say you click start. So immediately what you will do, once you click on start, it start finding all the details. So once you'll be let's say you go here, you session data and all the information, it will be start finding out. Okay, so live capture started. So anything you open in this Windows machine or other machine, so that information will be start coming up. Let me show you how. If you see here in this HTTP is 000, all the information is 0 here, right? Now let me open something in this computer. Let's say I'll go here and put write the name networkred.net. If I open this website, let's say I have opened, I have went there in the checkpoint installation, it is showing up here. Checkpoint path, what are the certification? If I, let's say, go here and I can see here checkpoint installation Cisco ACI, etc., etc. Now if I go here, from here Cisco, so I have opened the Cisco. Alright, now once we'll be here, and then uh, it's already started listening. Okay, the session is already started. Now if you stop it, now those information, you see it started adding how many are. Earlier it was 0, right? Initially when you have started searching, you can see here HTTP, HTTPS, all that information are started doing. Now it is decoding. Okay, decoding has been start. Now this immediately you can see it, that IP address of this machine also is present here. Now if you do filter, so that information is going to come up. Okay, that I will show you. Just give me a moment. So let me stop it. So it's a decoding. So after that we will get the decoding status, and it will be showing you up like what all browser you have access all the information. So you will be able to see. Now if you go here in that Apache we have started, this is the Xplico which is already started, and it's running smooth. Now you will be going here that Xplico browser, so you can filter here all the information. Okay, so let's go here. So can you see that decoding completed, what time is started, what time ended, all that information, isn't it? So if you click on, now you can see everything. Email, any email you have received, any DNS. Okay, how many ARP requests is there, can you see all that information. Even not only that, total host and host information also is available. If I want to find out this particular, and if I go to the interface, Ethernet, and if I start, so immediately whatever I will be browsing, so those information will be come up here. Let's say I'm opening here Microsoft, Microsoft.com. So this is the Microsoft official page. Okay, I open, right? That information also will be uh, available here. Alright, those information also will be available here. If I stop it, let's say let me stop. Okay, and can you see that is decoding has been started, and this time I was checking with the gateway, right? So all that information you'll be able to find it here. So it's decoding now. Fine. So this way, if you go back again, so once it will be showing decoding completed, it will be showing you what all DNS request, ARP information, every single thing you can check it out from there. Alright, so this is how that Xplico works. Now if you want to see that ARP information, so you see, now if you want to see the wave information, like you click on site, can you see that I was opening the networkrate.net? Can you imagine? I was opening that in that Kali. Okay, now every single thing whatever we are trying to open, if you see in the Windows machine, we was opening that networkrate. Can you see that networkrate, the website? We was opening from sitting at Kali, we got to know about it. Okay, so let me come to that conclusion. So what all we have done. So guys, you see this is the Xplico is the tool which will be helping you to do network intercepting and also the network monitoring and all those. Fine. So you can see here this particular. So we have found that information. Okay. So found document. So this is that Xplico. How we'll be opening that Xplico? So first you have to install. Okay. So first you have to install and then you have to go here and you will be typing here Xplico and then you have to start and then once you'll be click on Xplico, the browser will be opening. Is that okay? So that's the way it works. Alright. Fine guys, so you have seen whenever whatever you will be opening here that will be showing followed by the IP address who is using it. So that is means it's a very terrific. I mean you are if you are in the office and then you are gone. So let me explain here in that diagram so it will be bring you more clarity. So how you have performed that Explico? This is one machine. This is one machine. Okay, and this is internet. Let me write here. This is your internet, and this is Kali, and this is your Windows. Now they all of them are connected to network, all of them, right? So this is connected to network. This is also connected to network. Fine. Now this network is 192.168.43.1. That is the gateway. This Kali machine is 192.168.43.220 and this is sorry, this is 221 and this one 192.168.43.221. All right, so this is 220 and this is 221. This is 221 and this is 220. So now what we have done, we have installed Xplico here. So Xplico is the tool which will be doing R poisoning. You do the network intercept and you can do SQL injection also. So whatever whoever is opening any website, anything on that machine in this network, so with the help of Xplico we can sit and we can do everything. Alright. So the steps and everything I have explained in that video, how to do it, how to create session and everything is there. So initially if you are using Kali Linux 2020, so those package won't be here installed. So what you have to do, you have to run the command in the Kali from that admin mode, I mean root mode, sudo apt and get get install and your Xplico. So once you'll give this command, the package will be installing. So it will be 15 MB of tool. With the help of that, it will be it will get installed, and then you have to start that Xplico. And before that, you have to run that Apache service. So like uh, service Apache once will be start, and then from the Mozilla it will be opening the Xplico. So you can create the session, you can create the target and everything, and then it will be working. So it is really amazing. Please do practice this one with your virtual lab, not with the real machine. Don't try this in real because it can impact bad. So you practice at home with your own VM.